Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2011 Mercedes C350 estate. Take you around the bodywork and then I'll take you inside and I'll point out any features along the way. So starting with the front left quarter, you've got your front parking sensors, your LED daytime running lights on the front. Moving around to the front of the car, the nose. You need spotless on the front. I can't see any stone chips actually. Just a windscreen. That's the front right now. Good tread on the tyres. Front right wheels in good condition. It's the BlueEFFICIENCY, especially without all the tacks. On the right hand side of the car now. It's back right. Good tread on the tyres. Bit of damage to the back right wheel. Right quarter, and you've got your rear parking sensors as well, which are all working well, your twin exhausts. So, boot opens electronically, loads of space, and I believe the seats fold down flat as well. Again, it shuts automatically as well. So, back left quarter, down the left hand side. Good trim on the tyres. So I'll take you inside now. So you've got folding electric mirrors and electric windows, full black leather, electric seats. So inside you've got the enamel styling, it's like a wooden enamel style finish, which looks really nice. Automatic gearbox, got the climate control here, so you've got your dual zone climate control. Heated seats, it's a bit warm for those today. 81,889 miles on the clock. Your steering wheel with your steering wheel controls. I believe it's a Tiptronic, so it's got the flappy paddles, so you can have a bit more control of the gears whilst you're driving. You've got your cruise control, your radio, CD, telephone, and your auxiliary ports. This closes, so if you want a bit more of a smooth, minimal feeling in the car, you've got your front parking sensors, and then you can see the rear ones there as well. And here you've got some cup holders, and here you've got 12-volt port and a little, it's not an ashtray, but for like coins and little bits like that. Got a large cubby hole here. Boot opening switch there. That pretty much sums it up. Automatic lights. Again, full leather in the back with your ice fix points. And that pretty much sums it up. If you're interested in viewing the car, please give us a call on 07917 033 781. And 1 year's MOT, 1 year's warranty, 1 year's AA breakdown cover. Hope to hear from you soon. More information can be found on our website, paylessforcar.com. Take care. Bye bye.